Good morning, South Houston Intermediate. Today is February the 12th, and we are still celebrating Black History Month. Today we are celebrating Kamala D. Harris, also known as Madam Vice President. She is the 49th Vice President of the United States and the first woman of color to hold this office. She previously served as a district attorney, attorney general, and U.S. Senator. She was born in Oakland, California to immigrant parents from India and Jamaica. Vice President Harris graduated from Howard University, which is a historically black college and university, commonly referred to as an HBCU. She is also a member of the first black sorority, Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority, which was founded as an organization committed to improving social and economic conditions through community service. Kamala Harris has achieved many firsts in her life so far and lives by a motto that comes from her mom, and that is, "You may be the first, but make sure you're not the last." We have a few things to talk about. Let's see, beginning Wednesday, if you are late to first period, so late coming to school, your parents will no longer be able to drop you off. They're going to have to come into the attendance office and sign you in. So make sure your parents know. They also got an email and a call out that told them that they would have to do this if you guys show up late. Next Monday and Tuesday are student holidays. So this is time to get caught up on all your missing assignments. If you have any zeros in the grade book, you might want to email your teacher and ask them if there's anything you can do to bring up that grade. The 6 weeks ends next Friday. So that's when grades are due, and you will not be able to change those anymore. Some more things we need to talk about. Cell phones. Cell phones have become a huge issue here on campus. The only time we can use cell phones is at lunch. And that was a privilege that was brought up this year. You guys were not allowed to use cell phones at lunch last year. So that was something that was given to you, and we don't want to have to take that away. So make sure that you respect the fact that the only place you can use your cell phone is at lunch. DIY is not a time to use your cell phone. There's still no food and drinks in DIY as well. That is basically all we have for today. It is Friday, it's cold, and Monday is going to be even colder, but we will see you next week on Wednesday. Have a great day.